So the first thing I did is I created, because I want two bowl cozies, I created, I quilted four pieces of what I'm going to have as the outer part of the fabric. And I quilted the pieces, and these are 8 by 8. And I also cut out 8 pieces of the lining fabric. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to first circle these so that I get a circular a circular motion, and then I am going to a circular shape. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to stitch with the pretty sides facing each other all across, just like that.